How to install Flip Clock Screensaver on your PC or laptop. First, open Chrome and search for Flicklo, and open the first result, which is flicklo.com. Once the site loads, you'll see options for different devices like PC, tablet, and mobile. Click on the PC option. Now scroll down a bit, and you'll see two options, one for Mac and one for Windows. So depending on your system, just click on the download button. The file is very small, so it will download almost instantly. Now go to your downloads folder. Right-click on the downloaded file and click Extract All since it comes as a zip file. Then click Extract and the folder will be created. Now what you can do is copy this folder and paste it into your C drive, preferably inside Program Files or Program Files x86. It's not necessary, you can keep it anywhere, but placing it there keeps things organized and avoids issues. After that, open the folder and you'll see the main file called flicklo.scr. Right-click on it and click Install. As soon as you do that, the Screensaver settings window will open and Flicklo will already be selected. Now you'll see the wait option, which basically controls after how many minutes of inactivity the Screensaver appears. By default, it's set to 15 minutes, but you can change it to whatever you prefer. I personally like to keep it around 2 minutes, so it appears quickly. Once you're done, click Apply, then OK, and that's it. After the set time, the Flip Clock Screensaver will show up on your screen.